friends, today I am with a New Republic's new headphones which is named as Starboy 6. In this we are going to do the unboxing and check all the features what this headphone is offering. So let's see the New Republic Starboy 6 headphone. This will come only in one color. I will do the unboxing first. So I am taking out the plastic wrap from this and we'll see what are the box content and what are the features this headphone is offering. The company is claiming that it can run up to 30 hours. It supports gaming mode and also dual pairing is there. On the side it is given dual stereo, SD sound reproduction, wireless connectivity 5.3, 40mm neodymium drivers, noise reduction, X-based technology, and few more things are given at the back also. The price written on the box is 3,999, but this is not the final price. I will definitely let you know the final price of the product. In the box we are getting the headphones with also some of the accessories which I will show you later on. So these are the headphones which you are getting, and the build quality looks pretty much premium. We will discuss and talk about it later on. It comes with a flip mic which I will show later on. In the box we are also getting a charging cable and also 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable. I will show that later on. This is a type C charging cable, so this is 3.5 to 3.5. This is the user manual. This is also available in the box. I definitely recommend you guys to go through the user manual and have a proper information of the headphone what you got and also the function and the features you are getting in this headphone. Now if you talk about the flip mic, it is present on the left side. This is how you can open the flip mic and you can talk. It gives you a better audio quality on the other side while you are on a call. The flip mic is only on the left side, so do remember that, and on the right side it is just for a style and aesthetic. On the top you are getting the steel body and also the foam padding, and you are getting the ear cups with the foam, and these are vegan leathers which are definitely having a good smooth finish. Now talking about the design and look, it looks pretty much premium. It comes with the LED lights which you can see are glowing in the bottom. These are basically blue color LED lights which we will talk about later on. And also in this headphone we are getting the dual pairing support, means you can switch effortlessly between two devices very easily. The low latency gives you 42 ms for gaming. Now let's talk about these LED lights. This gives you definitely a premium finish, but these glow really very bright in the dark also. Let me show you in the dark atmosphere. Here you can see these are glowing very much brighter. So these are the LED lights what are glowing while you are using this headphone. There are three physical buttons: volume up, volume down, and power on and off. There is also 3.5 mm audio jack, type C port for charging, and also the indicator. This small indicator will tell you when you do the pairing, when it is paired, or when you are charging. And while wearing, it feels very lightweight and the design is very ergonomic. It weighs around 240 grams, but still it is very lighter in weight, all of the ABS material. Now if you want to try with the 3.5 mm audio jack, it is very easy. Currently I have a phone which supports the 3.5 mm audio jack. In the top you can see it is connected with the audio jack only, and currently the Bluetooth pairing is not done and the LED will not glow at that time, and you have to increase or decrease the volume directly on the phone manually. You can charge with type C cable. This is how you will do the charging. While charging it will show the orange light. Currently I can't tell you that how long it takes to charge from 0 to 100 because I haven't measured that, but overall here you can see the orange light, but it will definitely play nearly 30 hours. We have tried and tested that. So the company, what they are claiming is currently accurate, and here you can see the orange light, it will show while charging. while pairing it will be in the blue light. Just read the user manual and you will get the proper idea how it works. So this is how you will do the charging. So when you are being connected, the blue light will flash slowly or it will be in a breathe mode, and when it is searching the blue light, the blue and red light flickers alternately. If it is disconnected, then also blue and red light will be flickered. The red light stays on while charging. When the light goes off from the indicator, it will be full charge, and if red light flashes quickly means it is on low battery. So this is the LED indicators that you have to remember for sure. Using this, you can see it is very comfortable and has a swivel movement. You can put that around your neck or pack it also on your bag, because it also folds very easily, and there is also swivel movement. So these headphones definitely give you a comfort in adjusting, and while wearing also you will hardly notice that these headphones on your ears, because these are very light in weight, 240 grams. It comes with the ENC, environmental noise cancellation, and definitely after using it you will find the difference with the ENC switch on or switch off. You don't get a physical button for it. You don't have an app for this headphone. So if you guys are looking for an app, it doesn't have an app. It's just plug and play or do the Bluetooth pairing. If you see, you can change the volume up and down. You can also play the next song and go to the previous song for the long press, and you can do the pause and play. Similarly, you can pick the call, you can disconnect the call, and you can reject the call. These are the features what you are getting with these three physical buttons present on the headphones. The Starboy 6 offers you two modes, which are music mode and gaming mode. So what you have to do, you have to press the power button for a few seconds. The longer press will give you the option to switch. Once you have switched, it will announce in the headphone that you are in a gaming mode or you are in a music mode. The gaming experience is definitely good, and it comes with the 42 ms low latency support too. And the headphone offers you 40 mm dynamic drivers with X based technology. Now overall, the experience with these headphones are really good, and the best part is that those LED lights and also the flip mic what is coming inside it, and these headphones offer you great audio quality in this price point. The price of these headphones are 2499. It is available online. The LED lights makes it a standout headphone in this price point. So this is all about the New Republic Starboy 6. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.